Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 15 Pro with a broken back glass, and we are gonna replace it with a clear one. So yeah, here we are with an iPhone 15 Pro, and the client wants us to replace the broken back glass on this one. So we'll remove it directly. Unlike other iPhones before, the iPhone 15 Pro's back glass can be removed right away without any access to the front. So we just have to deal with the very strong adhesive, but the back glass is made of glass, so it's breakable and it's already cracked. So when you put pressure on any of the corners or sides, it will propagate and get more cracked. So it's not gonna be a very good looking smartphone when we are done removing the back cover. And I wish that iPhone can have a stronger back glass, and I'm sure this has happened to many other iPhones that are not featured in this repair video. But yeah, it's kind of a bummer when you pay a lot of money for a smartphone that can have this ugly damage. And the customer brought in their replacement back cover. We have a clear glass, but this is not going to be a straightforward repair and replacement video because a lot of the components behind this glass had to be stripped off and transplanted to the new glass. So join us on this adventure video, kind of. So this is a dangerous proposition if you're going to DIY this repair and you don't have the tools and the knowledge to do the repairs, you don't have the techniques. It's gonna be an issue because as you can see, shards of glass are flying all over our workbench, and it can also go to your eyes. So proper eyewear if you're gonna DIY this, and of course some safety gloves like what David is using on his left hand. This is essential. So if you don't want hassle, just do what our customer did. So you can buy your own parts and let us install it for you, because it's not going to be an easy process, mind you. Later on, we'll also put new magnets for the MagSafe, so that's going to be another complication. So we're almost done removing the back glass. We're gonna remove this retaining clip for the wireless charging connector. So this part with this connector had to be removed from this old display and transplanted to the new one. So we'll peel this one off, and there you go. So the good thing is it's gonna be isolated, so we'll put the smartphone, the main board and everything on the side, and we'll focus our attention on the back glass only. So David will remove some screws and detach the wireless charging component or module with a coil right there. So that's gonna be installed on the new display. So the problem here is the magnet is not installed from the factory, so we'll have to align it exactly as the old magnets are. So we can't reuse the magnets on the old display, the old back glass, and this one doesn't have any guides on it. So we'll have to be creative in marking where to put this component. So this is held on by adhesive on the back of the back cover. So the question now is where to put it exactly. So we have a clear back glass, no markings, so we'll have to do our own markings here. This is a Sharpie, and mind you, the replacement glass is clear, so we can see the mark there. And the next thing we're gonna do is strip the adhesive on the back of this magnet and press it in. So it's tricky, but David is a pro, so let's see how he manages to do this. There you go, looks nice. Looks okay now. Looks good. I think it's safe for us to press it in and detach the other side, the plastic on the other side. It's quite tricky. Before we transferred the old magnets to the new back glass, it was a ton of work, and it's not guaranteed that you can line up the individual magnets into a perfect circle, which is important if you're gonna put the MagSafe charger on the back of your iPhone. So it should be aligned with the coil so that the charging of the battery is uninterrupted. So we'll erase the Sharpie marks that we have written on the glass and remove the cover for the lens cover. We need to clean up the sides of the frame from old adhesive. So far, yeah, it's a complicated task, and I hope that we can have a stronger back glass for iPhones. I don't know why it's so fragile to be on the back. The display, we can't really argue, glass is superior material, but on the back you can just have I think a plastic maybe. With MagSafe, I don't know, maybe glass is still the best material for MagSafe charging, but for me, I want the durability, and if it's not really durable, at least easier replacement. I hope there's a replacement part that you can just buy with all the coils and the magnets, so you can just install it like a replacement display. And look at this, it's cooler now, to be honest. It's like a nothing phone with a transparent back. Yeah, but it's got a messy adhesive on the sides, but it's looking good. It's looking better. So cheers, guys.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.